When it comes to elevating your workshop capabilities, a custom die grinder stand can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to master precision shaping and fabrication. Today, we're taking you step by step through the process of building a durable, reliable die grinder stand, focusing on using carbide burrs to shape and fine-tune the components along the way. Whether you're a seasoned fabricator or just getting started in DIY shop setup, this walkthrough will guide you through each stage, sharing tips and tricks that make a difference. The first step is planning your stand. Consider where in your shop you want it to live and measure the space accordingly. A sturdy base is essential, so select steel plate or heavy gauge tubing for the foundation. The goal is to minimize vibration and keep your grinder stable during operation. After sketching your design, begin by cutting your material to size. Using a carbide burr on your die grinder, you can clean up the edges, bevel corners, and duty burr cut lines for a professional finish. Carbide burrs excel at smoothing out rough spots quickly, preparing the steel for welding and assembly. Once your base pieces are cleaned up, it's time to lay out the upright supports. These will hold your die grinder at a comfortable working height. Measure carefully and use your burrs to notch or round off the ends of the tubing, ensuring a snug fit against the base. This not only improves the aesthetics, but also makes for stronger welds. Before welding, clamp everything securely and double-check your alignment. Tack weld the uprights in place. Then use the die grinder with a carbide burr to blend the welds and remove any slag or sharp edges. Next, fabricate the grinder mounting bracket. This is a critical part of the stand, as it needs to hold your die grinder firmly while allowing for easy removal and adjustment. Cut 2 pieces of steel plate to size and use your carbide burr to shape slots or holes for mounting hardware. If you want extra adjustability, carve out elongated slots so you can fine-tune the position of the grinder. Smooth all cutouts and edges with the burr, creating a custom fit for your tool. Attach the bracket to the upright supports, checking for level and stability. With everything locked in place, run a few beads with your welder, then go back in with a die grinder and carbide burr to clean up the welds. This extra step isn't just about looks. It eliminates snag points and helps prevent corrosion by removing trapped debris. Inspect your work, and if you see any uneven areas, use the burr to touch them up for a seamless finish. For added utility, consider welding on a tool tray or hook to keep your burrs and accessories within easy reach. Shaping these add-ons with your die grinder and burrs allows you to customize the stand to your workflow. Once the main structure is complete, give the entire stand a final pass with your carbide burr to ensure every surface is smooth and ready for paint or protective coating. Throughout this project, you'll notice how versatile carbide burrs are for shaping, deburring, and refining metal. They're an essential addition to any fabricator's toolkit, making it easier to achieve a professional result. If you haven't tried our carbide burr tools yet, we'd love to hear about your experience. Leave a comment below letting us know if you've used them or if you have any questions about the process. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY fabrication projects, shop setup tips, and tool reviews. Your support helps us create more content for enthusiasts like you. Thanks for watching, and happy fabricating.